Hey there, it's Register Fault. I'm here to show you how to remove OEM solder paste with ease. I've been having some thermal issues on this laptop, and I've decided to repaste it, as that tends to help with thermal performance since the factory paste here isn't ideal. The usual method is to soak with isopropyl alcohol and wipe off with a paper towel, and my method isn't much different. What I have here is a chunk of melamine foam, often branded as Magic Eraser, and I'm going to soak it with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now that it's soaked up, let's wipe away at the paste. What's happening here is that the spongy and mildly abrasive qualities of the foam will soak up the paste while it dissolves in the alcohol. I ended up not getting it all in one go, so I re-soaked a cleaner part of the foam and wiped up the rest. And there we have it, a nice, clean, shiny Core i5 8265U waiting for a new application of thermal paste.